Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing how you can change primary market on Shopify. Now you want to log into your Shopify, okay? After you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, then you need to click here on settings at the very bottom left, as you can see, settings, and then you want to click on markets. And here, in order to add the market, of course you will have to, in order to change the market, you will have to add the market. Okay, so here you want to click on it. It says add the market. Name this. Okay, for example, I'm going to name it new market. And here you want to add the market. I'm going to add, in my case, for example, the first word, so Algeria, for example. Click on add the market. And now if you click here where it says after, as you can see, we have added now a new market, okay, which is going to be our primary market right now. Now, as you can see, currently primary market is Morocco, but we have added a new market. I'm going to click on it, and you want to click here. It says more actions, and you want to click on make primary market and click on confirm. And as you can see now, primary market has changed from Morocco to Algeria. Please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. So if you don't understand anything, go to the comments and let me know exactly how can I help you, and I will reply to you guys within a few minutes. Drop a like and see you guys in the next video.